The CM-APL5 Dynamic Active Backup Camera. Latest addition to Rydeen's line of advanced backup cameras, featuring dynamic active reverse guidelines that automatically move with your steering wheel to provide a more accurate projected vehicle path while reversing. As you turn the steering wheel and back up your vehicle, the parking guidelines adjust in real time, making it easier to align your vehicle with the intended parking space and park with greater confidence. Designed with a compact, low-profile housing, the CM-APL5 installs easily while maintaining a clean, factory-style appearance with minimal visual impact on your vehicle. The camera delivers a high-resolution, full-color video signal compatible with most analog monitors and displays. Built-in night vision provides excellent visibility in extremely low-light conditions, making it easier to back up safely in poorly lit areas where street lighting may be limited. Engineered for year-round reliability, the CM-APL5 features a rugged IP68 rated waterproof housing that withstands rain, snow, and harsh weather conditions. Its 140 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle helps reduce blind spots, giving drivers a broader view of obstacles behind the vehicle. Combining intelligent dynamic active reverse guidelines, outstanding image quality, all-weather durability, and a compact design, the Rydeen CM-APL5 is the ideal backup camera for drivers seeking enhanced safety, easier parking, and dependable performance.